Is this your hair growth situation? Slow? I mean, real slow? Well, stop wishing upon a star and take action. Rice water is an effective DIY protein treatment due to the amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Amino acids are organic compounds consisting of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and sulfur. If added to your hair routine, it will boost the overall health of your hair, and the growth is incredible. For a more in-depth breakdown of rice water benefits, check out the link above and below in the description area. Before applying this protein treatment, cleanse hair thoroughly. Materials needed: white or black rice, distilled water, a container for soaking rice, a strainer, a funnel, a measuring cup, a saucepan, orange peels, peppermint, lavender, and tea tree oil. These oils will treat your scalp and help jumpstart your hair growth. Let me know in the comment section which essential oil is your favorite. Beast mode activated. The boil method. Soak 1 cup of rice 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Remove impurities from rice. Bring 2.5 cups of distilled water to a boil. Add orange peels before or after your choice of rice. Cook rice until water becomes murky and clouded. This will be the starchy water you need to extract. Place the strainer inside of the container. Pour rice mixture over the strainer. Then remove the strainer from the container. Dilute rice water with 1/2 cup of distilled water. Add your essential oils. Now you have rice water. Application process. Apply rice water from root to ends. Soak hair directly into the container or use a spray bottle. Massage into scalp at least 5 minutes. Add a plastic cap and sit under a hooded dryer for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rinse hair with cold distilled water. The cold water helps close your cuticle. The fermented method. Soak 1 cup of rice 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly. Repeat this process. Add clean rice to a storage container with 1 cup of distilled water. Add your orange peels, lavender, and peppermint. Tighten your lid on the storage container. Find a dark, cold area and store your mixture for 24 hours. 24 hours will allow the entire mixture to ferment. Please do not ferment rice more than 1 week. After 24 hours, separate rice mixture from water. Add in tea tree oil. Application process. Apply from root to ends. Massage scalp for at least 5 minutes. Add a plastic cap. Sit under a hooded dryer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rinse hair with cold distilled water to close your cuticle. Continue your regular hair routine and style hair as desired. If you would like to see another rice method, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Comment below. Share this video.